Good morning, traders. Welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester. Today in this video, I have the best binary option strategy in this month. Actually, maybe it can be this year, whole year. But I'm gonna explain step by step how to use it, what can be the best brokers to use in this strategy. If you are interested in binary options or forex strategies, stock market, make money online, this channel is going to be for you. So before to start this video, I recommend you subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell, because in this channel we are going to make money online. Let's roll with this video. Okay guys, what is the best strategy for binary options we can use in this moment? First of all, what is binary options? If you are totally new in this industry, definitely this is a good question. What is binary options? What is a forex? Well, binary options is going to be an alternative for a few traders actually trade and not using forex, but trade with binary options. In how is trade with binary options? Well, with binary options, we are gonna trade using the time. For example, you can see this green candle here, and I say it's gonna end in green in 2 minutes. So I put in 2 minutes. Well, no, 7 minutes, for example. This candle for 7 minutes. So I click. If it is for a color red or put, it's gonna be lower. If I decide to be, it's gonna be a color green. So I click and higher, and that's it. In 2 minutes, ending in color green, or in the time frame you put, you're earning in this case 17% increase in your balance. This is how works binary options. Sounds like a bell thing, you know, but so it's complicated. But for that reason, exists many strategies, good strategies to use it, how to analyze the market using support resistance, good levels to trade. And definitely we can trade it or use it in a good time frame for our trades. So what is the best binary option strategy for this September or this year? Is going to be 2 minute strategy. Why? Well, 2 minute strategy is gonna help you to trade using indicators and understand how to trade in simple and easy way. It's gonna take it only a few minutes to understand how it works, this strategy. So for that reason, we are gonna use it for that strategy. We are gonna use it for indicators. Okay, what is gonna be indicators? Well, in this video, I don't want to mention that, but the indicators we're gonna use it is 3 moving average, 1 color yellow period 14 simple moving average, 1 color 26 period 26, a color red, and the third moving average gonna be color blue period 6 simple moving average. We are gonna use in MACD just for another confirmation of our trades. Having these indicators, we are gonna set our candles for 2 minutes, is this one here, and our time frame is gonna be for 2 minutes. So with this currency, I can trade with for 2 minutes. So we are gonna try to find a good currency pairs trade for 2 minutes. Okay, and that's it. This is how we are gonna configure our indicators, but it's gonna explain how works this strategy. Well, it's gonna work simple, and the moment it crosses the MACD, it's telling us the next candle or the fifth candle is gonna be for uptrend. For example, in this case, crossing below of the red line in the MACD, it is for a call. How are we gonna know that? Because blue line crossing the yellow line and the red line is above, and that is a good signal. Crossing color green, but the MACD is telling me previous this happened. For that reason, we are seeing the MACD waiting for this. Touch it, boom, we enter for 2 minutes or time frame, and we have it in the money. This is how works this strategy. Let's go to find a good example. I'm gonna try to find a good example to trade and show you live how it works. This is out of the money. Their strategy is not 100% effective. for another brokers have 2 minutes time frame for this currency pairs, so you need to stay, you can use in another broker. I'm gonna leave it. I told you what is the best brokers for this strategy, and this is another 8 in the morning. This another 8 in the morning. I think that we don't have a good opportunity in the market, so we're gonna find, I'm gonna try to find a good this type of market. I don't like it because it's unstable, so it's so volatile, it's risky, so I prefer trying to find another currency pairs or opportunities. This is crazy. Maybe have a triple news. I'm gonna explain that in a minute. Well, we don't have a good opportunity to trade, so I'm gonna explain what is the triple news. Okay, well, the triple news, we are gonna find it right here. Invest in that account. We are going to economic calendar. We are gonna select our time frame, a time frame area. Well, I live in Central America, so right now we have bulls with USD, so have a complicated one bull or one star. Right now it is a star, but the last few months was a bull. So we have one star, have a volatile, a probability to have a volatile market with USD. Okay, so we need to avoid that this triple news. Here it says low volatile, moderate volatile, high volatile, so we can find that huge jump sometimes, and we're trying to avoid that type of market. That market doesn't works for this strategy. We need this type of market, stable, see, a stable market, and continuously using this type of market. So what is the best brokers to use in this strategy? This is brokers, it's gonna be IQ option and pocket option. I'm gonna leave it the links below on this video, and yes, I'm gonna get a small commission with that brokers, but I'm gonna tell you something. If you try to search on another type of broker, for example, binary cent, you can find it, and many traders using binary cent, but it's complicated, and I don't like it, that broker, because sometimes have that huge jumps. For example, appears this candle here and the other candle here, and never see how works that candle. So it's suspicious for me. I don't like it, that broker. Exists expert option too. Many traders using the expert option, but to be honest with you, I don't like it using the expert option. IQ option is not available to many countries around the world. That is the truth of that. But you can know that if you're trying to register using the link below this video. And with pocket option, is broker working in the US, but it's not regulated. Always give me my money. To be honest with you, I never have problems with them, because I trade with both, with my real accounts. So this is the two best brokers to use in this. And why? Because have a time frame for 2 minutes. Even pocket option have 2 minutes for all the currency pairs, all of them. So that is something really cool to know before to make your first deposit. How much is the first deposit? Well, with IQ option it's $10, and with pocket option is $50. That is a huge difference. Yes, with pocket option you can use in Bitcoin. If you have a Bitcoin wallet, you have a few Bitcoins to are not using right now, you can make your first deposit using Bitcoin, and then gonna help you to make money with them. So this is how works this 2 minutes strategy. Unfortunately, I don't have a good scenario right now to show you a live I don't know, trade for you, but it's going to try to find it. Maybe this one looks good. Yeah, but we are gonna wait, okay? Because they have a huge candle, so we are gonna wait. And this is how works this 2 minute strategy, and this is the best strategy for binary options. Yes, to be honest with you, yes. Have a lot of good reviews, have 1,000 views and videos talking about it, about this 2 minute strategy, and have a real testimonials, people in Facebook's group. That is amazing. to be honest, for you or with you, it's amazing for me. So I try. It's so volatile, so it's risky. So I try to trade more with 2 minute strategy in these days. To be honest, okay, because I have a good money in the last days. I will continue trading with 2 minute strategy. We have a volatile market today, Mondays. Another good advice I'm gonna give you: don't trade Mondays and Fridays, because with doing that, losing money. They never follow that advice. I always telling you don't trade Mondays and Fridays, but still doing that. So your option, okay? With binary options. This is for with binary options. Why? Because have this type of market, a volatile market, and that is not convenient for us. So this is how it works, this 2 minute strategy. Sorry, I don't have a live trade, but don't have a good opportunities. They have a volatile market day Monday. So I'm gonna leave you another videos when I using this strategy. You can trade and see it how I trade with this strategy. And I hope this video can help you and know to understand what is the best binary option strategy for this month of September. So I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, smash this video, and see you on the next wave.